Join me today on a little walking tour of the City Beach Resort Hotel. Quite a big one, as you can see. Ample space for parking, and just down this road here you get direct access to the beach. So it's not a room review or a room tour, it's just a basic walk through the hotel and what you can expect if you're thinking of staying here. Smack in the centre of town here, so it's really local and right next to the clock tower. A lot of the buses drop off from the airport run at the clock tower, so you're right next to it from here, so it's quite convenient hotel. Nice bar, and I'll walk you up to the pool area, reception area, and take you up to the pool. Got a little shop there. Function room. Ideal if you're having a wedding bash or a birthday or something. There we go. Nice little pool area. You just overlooking town here. You got the Hilton over there. It's got a nice sky bar. We fancy a cocktail later on in the evening. Father Ted's Irish bar down there. Plenty of rooms. And it's moderately priced. Okay, that's it. That concludes the little walking tour here. Just gives you an idea of where the hotel is, what you can expect if you're staying here, and its location and bearings. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.